Okay, so you have a hiss or some weird noise in your studio. A couple things it could be. Assuming it's a constant noise, I would try plugging in all of your connections extra tight. Just everything between your computer and your mic, like every fitting into the interface, whatever, just like tighten it up. Just seat it in there real good. Make sure it's not that. Sometimes if there's a little bit of separation, which kind of happens over time, it can have a, sort of make a weird noise. So I would check, like tighten all your fittings. And then it could be your computer fan or something like that. I would try to, if it is that, I would try to either turn the fan off or remove it from the room. So maybe put the computer outside of your booth and run wires in. I know that's not ideal. What I do, and I record in the summer when it's hot, is I will take little flexible ice packs, keep them in the refrigerator, and then when I am about to record, I'll take them out and put them around my computer fan so it stays cool and it doesn't kick on. So you could try that. And then thirdly, I guess if you have the noise and you sort of want to fix it, which is not ideal, but let's just say you do that, you can always go into Audacity or whatever and use the noise reduction feature to reduce the noise a little bit like that. And for an audition or something that's going to go on YouTube or whatever, you're probably going to be just fine doing that.